Hey everyone, today I'm showing you BioVerify. With how fast AI is moving, deepfakes have become a massive security risk. It is no longer enough to just check if a face matches a photo. You have to know if that face is actually a live human or an AI generated fabrication or deepfake. BioVerify is a deepfake detection algorithm, an application I've been working on. It analyzes video files to spot the subtle inconsistencies that generative models often miss. The goal is to provide a reliable way to verify digital identity in an era of synthetic media. I will walk through the setup so you can run this locally. It is designed to be straightforward. I'm going to use a Kali Linux virtual machine for the installation demonstration, but I already installed this in my Windows machine as well. So to start, I can switch my virtual machine, and first I can start with sudo apt update. Then I can install Docker. Let's enable Docker. Now we can run Docker. Let's run as root. Not suggested, but I got some issue with my virtual machine. Yeah, I think uh, it's a disk issue. I don't have enough space for running this virtual machine, but yeah, I already have running environment for the project, which is this one: worker, Minio, Redis for cache, Postgres for analysis database, and API. Also, I have a UI. You can run it with npm. So this is the project. You can see previous analysis, and also you can upload a file. I will use a sample AI generated video to analyze. Let's check how it goes. It already queued the analysis process, and video started analyzing. While it analyzing the video, we can check previous analysis. I have lots of testing while developing. So if we can check this one, it says synthetic, and we can see heart rate plausibility, spectral concentration, spectral sharpness, pulse transit time, and it says this is synthetic. And if we click View Evidence button, we can also see what's happened. Phase, ROI, and also we have liveness analysis. So it says this is low score, this is 40% synthetic media, and the reason is signals mostly show this video is synthetic. When you click the sample screenshots, you can also see tracked face, and also you can see RPPG signal traces, and also frequency spectra. If you need detailed analysis, you can also download the summary JSON. It's stored on local storage. When you clicked, you can download summary as JSON, but depending on the video length, it might take 100,000 lines of summary JSON with values. If you need detailed analysis, you can see what's in the summary JSON. And if you have any questions or if you experience any issues, please let me know in the comments below. And also, if you want to contribute, you can make contributions on the projects as well. Thanks for watching.